Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Buick Encore. First, let's talk about safety and preparation. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and securely supported by jack stands before you begin. You will need a drain pan, a new oil filter, around 4 to 5 quarts of full synthetic 5W30 oil, and a few common wrenches, including a 24mm socket for the filter housing. Now, let's get to draining the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of your engine's oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Using a 10mm or 17mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let all the old engine oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes to ensure most of the old oil is removed. Next, we'll replace the filter and add fresh oil. The oil filter housing is usually on top of the engine and requires a 24mm socket to remove. Take out the old filter and replace its O-ring with the new one that comes with your new filter. Install the new filter, then reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it snugly. Finally, add about 4 to 5 quarts of new 5W30 full synthetic oil through the oil fill cap. For our final steps, start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute, then turn it off. Check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. After a few minutes, check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Remember to properly dispose of your old engine oil at an authorized recycling center. Lastly, reset your vehicle's oil life monitoring system, which is typically done through the dashboard controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.